Now let's look at the Enlarge Text control, which you will need to add from your control inventory. And by the way, when you go into the inventory, instead of just scrolling down, you can just tap in that Search Controls box and type in the name of the control you're looking for, and it will take you right to that control to add to your control center. So now I'm back in my control center. I will tap on the text size, and right now I see that the text size is set for 190%. So that might be a little high, so I'm going to bring it down to 120%. And then look below, I can see that I can apply this to all apps or voice memos only. And it selected voice memos because I had the voice memos app running. And I really don't want to put it in voice memos, and I really don't want to apply it to all apps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe up to close voice memos. And now I want to open an app where I do want to enlarge the text, and that's going to be the New York Times app. So I'm going to tap on New York Times, and I can see what the text looks like. I'll swipe down diagonally from the upper right corner and tap on text size, and right now it's 190%, which is too much, and I'll drag it down to 120%. And now you can see I've got the option of applying this control to all apps or the New York Times only. And I'm going to tap New York Times only, swipe up again, and now I'm into my New York Times app again, and I've enlarged the text to 120%, which is a good size text for my vision.